Man, the new Strokes album, ooh, so good. Selfless, perfect. Anyway, we have a antisocial social club unboxing today. I just have the mask on for this first little bit. This is similar to an old unboxing I did, which is for this, which is the reason I wore it. But anyway, I only got one item that I'll be unboxing. It's only a bandana, so if you guys are expecting some huge unboxing, well, I guess you should have read the title better first. But also, you know, just don't be misled. This is only a bandana I'm unboxing. I wasn't crazy about a lot of the items dropping in the spring summer collection or whatever they called it. I think they did call it the spring summer hung up collection, but not crazy about it. I am crazy about their shipping they had this time around, though. It took I want to say like a week to deliver. And once again, I actually had this sent to my mom's house as well, but not on accident. This was kind of on purpose. When I opened up the Antisocial website, they usually open their website like a couple minutes before when they're actually supposed to like release the drop. You know, usually, I think for me it's 8 a.m., 10 a.m., I'm not sure, whatever. But it's like usually a couple minutes before that they actually open up the drop. And this time it was like 13 minutes before, I want to say. It was something wild. But I went in there and I tried to purchase the bandana. But when I went to click like two options, was like go to cart or checkout or whatever, or else Apple Pay. And I checked the regular checkout, go to cart, whatever, and nothing was happening. So I was like, all right, I gotta do Apple Pay. And the address I have set up on my Apple Pay is back where I used to live, back home in Wisconsin. And I also want to note that this is not the original packaging. This is a lot nicer than what it probably originally came in. It probably came in something similar to what this came in, and I will link the unboxing for this in the description if you guys are curious to what their shipping actually kind of looks like. But that just came in a regular just white envelope. I'm not sure what the dimensions are on them, but you know, one of those bad boys. Had a bunch of tape all over. It was very sketchy, not something you'd expect from, you know, a nice brand. But you know, then again, a lot of people would argue that Antisocial is not a nice brand, or anywhere close to professional might be a better way to put it. That being said, though, this is a bandana, small unboxing. I'm just gonna unbox it, so or open it up. Not much of an unboxing. I'm opening it up from this end also because my mom taped the other end, so I'm not sure if we're gonna have. Oh, so all right, here, this is actually what it came in, which is nicer than the envelope we got in the last one. So we get a second unboxing. Nice. Looks like this is just one of the regular U-line, I want to say. I forget what it's called, but just a lot of, you know, pretty much everything ships in these packages. So better than an envelope, definitely. That envelope I got was trashed when I unboxed that one. But yeah, curious to see if we get stickers or not. I've ordered quite a few times from Antisocial, and every now and then, yeah, no sticker. Every now and then you get a sticker. I've got a couple like kind of box logo ones, but here we have it. I forget what this is called. The title will have the name of it, so if you guys want to go there, you can look at it. But kind of just like a racing aesthetic to this, like an old school, almost like rally type style going on to it. And I thought it was really cool. I really like, ooh, that is nice. So like I said, with that racing aesthetic, you just got a bunch of checkered stuff. Each corner you got kind of, what's it called, like Sorry or whatever that game is, where you get all the corners and the colorful shit and you go towards the center. I don't know, I've like barely ever played that, but maybe some vibes similar to that. You got the text in the center where you have the ASSC. Almost reminds me of some like South African promotional stuff like that. But yeah, I think overall kind of like rally car vibes with the checkerboards and then different colors. But definitely happy with it, though. You know, it looks exactly like it did on their website. As far as quality goes, you know, it's just like a regular bandana. If anything, you know, pretty nice quality. It's a little bit like on the softer side. It definitely feels like it'll be comfortable, and I'll throw it on in a little bit here. But as far as price goes, I really forget what I paid for this. I want to say it was, I'll look it up. So this was $22. I want to say shipping was like another $12. Antisocial always gets you on shipping. They charge like a ridiculous amount for shipping. But yeah, that being said, I'll throw it on so you guys can get a idea of what it looks like on my dome. All right, so I tied it this way, and really, if you think about it, there's so many cool ways you can just like tie this bandana. Right now, we got the like full spell out where it says "I still feel the same" going on, which I think is a cool way to wear it. You do have to wear it pretty thick then to get the full spell out. But you know, you could wrap it so many other ways. Just had it like bunched up in the back there. Pretty much any way is gonna look cool because of how much is going on this. You know, it's kind of like a crazy piece. Get some checkers wrapping it some ways, but I think it's very cool. Suppose we can end the video with a nice Bruhbushka tie around the top of the head. But you know, happy with the purchase. Once again, I just was not feeling a whole lot from that drop. Antisocial lately just, you know, hasn't been piquing my interest. They've been missing a lot, but you know, we'll see. I'm still waiting on the Mastermind Antisocial collaboration jacket that I ordered back in January. I think that was like January 11th or something. But yeah, definitely more excited for that than for this. But you know me, I love the bandanas. Bruhbushka boys, we out here. That being said, did you guys order anything from the drop? How do you feel about Antisocial in general? That's about it though. Thank you for watching. I know it's a short unboxing, so I appreciate you coming through. And I'll catch you in the next video. Bruhbushka boys.